Hey guys, you want anything to drink? Yeah, I'm rich. Hey Job, hey Lilac, Green Lime wants some milk. You don't have any milk, but I can get you some milk. That's what he just said. Now I want some milk. Now you're saying wrong, you're saying milk. Well, like it's a disease. How do you say that? I'm saying the way everyone not said milk, M-I-L-K. Right, I think it's that. Like a whole mouth. No, say milkshake. Milkshake. Okay, now say milk. Milk. Are you hearing this? Yeah. The man goes to gas milk. Milk? Give it the milk, Lilac! Jonathan. Oh, hello there. Meow. Cut! Give it the milk, Lilac! Green Lime. Instead voices, please. Sorry, Pink. Oh, my friends. Freaking milk. You guys are the same thing. We're all saying milk. Lilac. No, you're saying no. You're saying meow. 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 Shut up. Don't do it, Lilac. You gonna shoot me if I shoot myself? It doesn't make any sense! Put it down now! Really get to work! Let it put it down! Just put it down! I'm going to do it! I thought we were there! Really, just brother than me! Oh my god, damn it! You think it's like a brother than me! And then after that, we pull the trigger. All of us. No, we're not filming something like that. Why not? It's so dark. Why not? What are you doing with those objects? Come on, I am just singing that I am going to drink the last cup of milk right about now. Well, sorry. I just I just gave well, it's gone. But we don't have any. What? I just gave Lilac the last cup of milk. You mother...